Hey there, this is Eileen Fernandez Parker. And in this quick video, I want to show you how to install Kami and then how to save an item using Google Classroom instead of using the paid for version of the turn in button inside Kami. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is over here on the top left-hand side, I'm going to zoom in for you. If your bookmark toolbar is showing, you'll be able to see this apps launcher. I'm going to click on the app launcher here, and then I'm going to choose Web Store. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can just type in Chrome Web Store and do a search for it, and it'll be the first item to pop up. So once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you're going to click on the in the search bar there, and you're just going to type in KAMI. And the first result at the top will be the one that you need. You're going to click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension in the pop-up window. And you'll see up here on the right-hand side that now there is a K in a blue circle for Kami. And this pop-up explaining to you that it's here shows up. Now watch what happens when I click on this X to close it. The Kami icon is going to disappear. So this new puzzle piece here is the new home for extensions. So when I click on that, all of my extensions, as I add them, will be underneath here. And when I want to get in and manage them, I can just click on the puzzle piece and go to Manage Extensions. But for now, there's this push pin here that will allow me to pin this extension up here so that when I close it, it is still there. All right. So if you want to pin yours, you go right ahead. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on that Kami extension. Okay. And this is what you can use if you are in a Google Meet and you want to have a whiteboard that you can write on. You can click on New Blank Page. You can have a lined page. Isn't that nice? You can have a grid page for graphing, and you can also have a music sheet. Now, I'm going to go with just a plain blank, and I'm going to add it. And here I have a white board at this point. It functions as a whiteboard, right? So if you're in Google Meet, you can use it for that. But what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that we're a student, not a teacher. And what we're going to do is I'm going to close that out. And I'm going to add a tab, and I'm going to go to Google Classroom. So when I add a tab, it brings me to my Google page, and the app launcher is up here. And this is endearingly called the waffle. So some of you might call it that. So you're going to look for Google Classroom in your app launcher. Now, it might not be there, okay? So if it's not, you might have to go up into the search bar and just type in classroom.google.com. And you can see I've done it before, so it's automatically offering it to me. And when I do that, it's going to take me to the Google Classroom for this account. And this is a student account, all right? So I'm going to go into the classroom, and I'm going to go to the classwork page. And there's a Kami PDF activity here. So here is the assignment. So I can either click on the assignment here, or I click here on View Assignment so that I can see the details. So here it tells me what I need to do. I'm going to try to install the Kami extension using the directions. I'm going to use the tools to put my name at the top, and I'm going to follow the directions in the bottom to turn it in. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open up in a preview mode. Notice up here on the right, I have Open with Kami. I also have this Open With button, and I can just choose Kami from here, okay? So I'm going to choose that middle window, and it's going to open up in the Kami app. So here it is now, and I have all these tools on the left-hand side that you'll be able to play around with. Notice the ones that have a lock on them. I'll zoom in for you. These are premium. So paid, equations are paid, images and signature are paid. So we're going to focus on using the comment. The markup means highlighting, commenting, text box, drawing, shapes, and eraser. That's all we need, and that's good enough for us, okay? So I'm going to click on the text box, and I'm going to choose a color. I'll just choose black. And I'm just going to type my name, and this account is learner4. And now over here on the right-hand side, what I want to do is I need to click on this save button. Now notice it says turn in, but when I hover, it says save. When I click on that, notice there is a big turn in button here that's bigger than anything else, but that's not what we're going to use. We're going to click down here on save now. It's saving. And now that it has been saved, I am going to return to Google Classroom. And this is the turn in button that I'm going to hit. So when I click turn in, I get a message saying it's going to be turned in, and I have to hit turn in again. And now it is officially turned in. So try those steps, install the app, connect with your Google Drive, and then go ahead and open something up in Google Classroom, play with it, and then save, and then go back to Classroom and turn it in. Good luck.